How to enter safe mode in Windows 11. Running Windows in safe mode allows you to troubleshoot and correct problems that have occurred in normal mode. When starting in safe mode, Windows runs with a minimum set of drivers and the screen appears different than usual. To enter safe mode in Windows 11, search for and open Recovery Options. Select Restart Now on the Advanced Startup tile. Select the Restart Now option in the pop-up window that appears. Once the computer restarts, select Troubleshoot in the Startup Options menu. Select Advanced Options from the Troubleshoot Options menu. Select Startup Settings from the Advanced Options menu. Select Restart on the Startup Settings window to restart the computer into the Startup Settings menu. Press F4 or select Enable Safe Mode to restart Windows using minimal files and drivers. Press F5 or select Enable Safe Mode with networking to restart Windows in safe mode but with additional networking drivers and services for accessing a local network or internet. Sign in to the computer with your account username and password. The desktop will open in safe mode. To exit safe mode, restart the computer and it will start normally. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.